Today we are presenting methods of stock valuation. This is Study Portal 254. My name is Anthony Ching and you are all welcomed. Valuation of inventory aims at attaching a monetary value in the stores or stock issued for production. This is useful in producing. It is also useful in pricing production as well as decision making. There are four methods used in valuing inventory. Number one, we have first in, first out. Number two, we have last in, first out. Number three, we have simple average method. And lastly, weighted average pricing method. We'll first start with the weighted average pricing method. Weighted average pricing method, also called standard cost method or AVCO, involves computing the weighted average cost of the inventory held after each inventory acquisition takes place. Any inventory sold or used is then valued at this weighted average figure until another acquisition takes place, when a new weighted average cost is calculated. We'll use an example here to illustrate on how to calculate or prepare a store ledger card using the methods I had mentioned earlier. So, Store PLC record the following stock movements of a new stock item called Probon. We have the information in the table. We have the date, receipts in units, and issues in form of units. We are told there was no opening stock, and so we are required to prepare stock cards for stock item Probon, showing the value of each of the two issues and the value of closing stock using each of the following stock pricing or valuation method. The first method will use the AVCO. Second method will be first in, first out, LIFO, and lastly simple average method. Let's begin. So we're told that on the first day, 2nd April, we received 4,000. We received 4,000 units. 2,400. 2,400 units at 8 shillings each, amounted the total of 19,200. On that day we issued nothing, and so our balance reads 2,000 units, 2,400 units at 8 shilling, bringing to a total of 19,200. Second date, that is 6th April, we received 3,600 units at 9 shillings each, bringing to a total amount of units received on that day 32,400. We issued nothing on that day, and so to get the total units received on those two particular dates, we add the first consignment, which is 2,400, added to the second consignment or units, which is 3,600. The total amounts to 6,000 units. To get the total amount of stock value received on those 2 days, we add the first stock value, which was 19,200. We add it to the second stock value, which is 32,400. When two are added, it brings 51,600. To get the price, weighted average price, we divide total amount of stock value divided by the total amount of units. So 51,600 divided by 6,000, it brings 8 shillings and 60 cents. On that date, that is 12th April, we received 4,000 units at 10 shillings each. At 10 shillings each, amounting to a total of 40,000. We issued nothing, and so the value of our stocks increases. Anytime we receive or we purchase, our balances increases. So our balances will increase to 10,000 units, that is 6,000 plus 4,000 new consignments is 10,000. Then our amount of stock value will also increase from 51,000 to 91,600. 91,600. 91,600 comes as a result of adding 51,600 to 40,000. Yeah, it brings 91,600. Date 17th. Sorry, to get the price, we will again here divide 91,600 divided by 10,000, we get 9.16. On date 17th, we received nothing. And instead issued 7,000 units. 7,000 units. Now, to get the price of issuance, we'll take the last price of the last date, which is 12th April. It was 9 shillings and 16 cents. That's the price we'll use to issue 7,000 units. So 7,000 units times 9 shillings and 16 cents, we get 64,120. 64,120. And so anytime we issue, our balance reduces. Remember, we had 10,000 units in the store and we issued 7,000. It means that our balance will reduce to 3,000 and our stock value will also reduce from 91,000 to 27,480. That is 91,600 minus 64,120, you get 24,480. To get the price, you divide 27,480 by 3,000. You get 9 shillings and 16 cents. Good. 24th April, we received 4,000 units at 10 shillings and 50 cents. Our total will be 42,000. We issued nothing, and so our balance will increase, both the units and the stock value. Our units will increase from 3,000 to 7,000, and our amount of stock value will also increase from 27,480 to 69,480. To get the weighted price, we divide 69,480 divided by 7,000. we get 9 shillings, 9.9257. Good. On the last day, that is 27th April, we received nothing, and instead we issued 5,000. 27th April, we issued 5,000 units. Our last price was 9 shillings, 9.9257. That's the price we used to issue. $5,000 times 9.9257 will have 49, 630 if you round up. 49, 630 when you round up. And so our stock value and units will also decrease. We remember we had 7,000 and we issued 5,000, so our units will reduce to 2,000, right? Yeah, 2,000. And our stock value will also reduce from 69,480. Subtract from 49, 630. It will be 19,850. 19,850. So to get the price, we divide 19,850 divided by 2,000. We get 9.925. 9.925. Exactly. So we are done. This is how we prepare store ledger card using the AVCO method. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Study Portal 254. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.